How to stop hair fall? Here are some tips to stop hair loss. For this we need onion. Take onion, peel it, cut it into pieces and put it in a bowl. Now squeeze onion juice and collect it into a bowl. Apply this onion juice all over your scalp. Onion juice is rich in sulfur. This mineral is one of the main building blocks of hair. It improves blood circulation and provides sufficient nourishment. Onion also has antibacterial properties, so it helps with scalp infections that might contribute to hair loss. It contains the enzyme which is antioxidant that can prevent premature graying. After applying, leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse it with mild shampoo. Tip 2. For this we need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. These two ingredients are very beneficial to hair growth. Take a bowl, add these two ingredients and mix well. Apply this mixture on your hair before going to sleep and leave it for a night. Next day on early morning, wash it off with mild shampoo. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and has antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial properties. It improves scalp health, fights infections and supports hair growth. Coconut oil keeps your hair strong, shiny and bright look. Do this weekly twice. It reduces dandruff and controls hair fall. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin and minerals like phosphorus, magnesium and calcium. Due to all these benefits, lemon prevents hair fall and premature graying of hair. Tip 3. Amla juice. Applying amla juice or drinking it regularly will make your hair thicker and bouncier. Amla is one of the most nourishing herbs for hair. Amla is an excellent hair tonic. It plays a key role to get thick, long and beautiful hair. This wonderful berry acts as a natural conditioner, minimizes hair loss and premature graying and promotes hair growth. If you have a dry to normal hair, then add 1 teaspoon of honey to a mug of cold water and use this as your final rinse. And those with oily or greasy scalp, add half lemon juice or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a mug of cool water and use it as a final rinse. Oil your hair twice a week. Use any oil of your choice and gently massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. This enhances the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles and prevents hair loss or hair fall. Have foods rich in iron, protein, biotin, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C and vitamin E. Apart from this, drink plenty of water, avoid stress, have good sleep. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.